In TypeScript, we can also have switch case. Let's see an example with switch case how it's working. So I have before that defined a variable day. Let's assume that this is let day, which is from type string, is equal to Friday. Alright, so I'm saying switch and provide the name of my variable, and then I'll get its value. Actually here what we need to do is it won't be equal to Friday. I need to have let day, which will be from type number, is equal to, for example, 5. And then I'm saying, in case that day is equal to 1, I'm going to execute this code. And this code here, the syntax is case, what you expect, 2 dots, and after 2 dots is coming your code to be executed. When you finish with that, you should add break operator. And break operator means, alright, I'm done with that case, it's executed, let's step forward. So what will happen in that case? I'll check. Is actually day equal to 1? No, it's not. Alright, is it equal to 2? No. 3? No. 4? No. 5? Yes. Day is equal to 5. Then I'll print on the console Friday, break, and after break, this will go out of my switch statement and continue with code forward. But let's assume that we have a case where day is not 5, but it's 10. By some mistake, we have different input. And then we continue. Is it equal to 5? No. 6? No. 7? No. So none of the cases are actually valid and none of them will be executed. Then we step to the default statement. Default will be executed if none of the cases are valid and none of them are executed. Then we will execute this code, which actually will print on our console error. And this will be in the case where day is different than 1 to 7. We can have also multiple labels. So let's say we have switch case on animal, which is some string. Why we need that? Well, we need that when on different cases we have to execute the same code. And because we don't want to repeat our code on each place, that's why we use multiple labels. And I'm saying, in case that this is dog, then print on the console mammal and just break it. Alright. But in case that it's crocodile, tortoise, or snake, I want you to print on the console reptile and only then break it. So here, if animal is one of these 3 values, then in all these cases, we'll print the same code. What's the other option? Well, you can always say case, let's say here, crocodile, alright, 2 dots, and here, console.walk reptile. Then you can have case, tortoise, 2 dots, and console.walk again reptile, again with break, and case, snake, console.walk reptile, and here of course, here I need to have break, here I need to have break, and here I need to have break as well. This is much more code and basically it makes no sense. That's why you can use multiple labels, and here if animal is equal to one of these 3 things, then you're going to execute this one. Similar structure would be if you say if animal is equal to, let's say, crocodile, or you can say animal is equal to, here you have tortoise, or animal is equal to snake. And if some of these things are true, then I'm going to print on the console reptile. So here what I have is console.walk reptile. So this is similar syntax with if and multiple statements, or this one. Of course, choosing between switch and if statement depends from your current case, but just to know that you can have multiple labels like that, which are making the things very easy to be done. Thank you very much for watching this lecture.